Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on the spring scoop marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm beginning with Holo Peely base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For this scoop marble, I'm going to be using some Orly colors. This is On a Whim, Sour Time to Shine, Close Call, and Give It a Swirl, which I'll also be using as my base color. For the scoop marble, I have a lid where I'm going to be laying out some strips of each color. Not too much, but I'm being somewhat generous because if I have too much for one nail, I can just move on to the next nail. And once I have it all laid out here, I'm going to run through it with an orange stick, then scoop it up with a brush and apply it onto my nails. I have a flat brush here. I'd kind of like to get a bigger one, but basically I'm just going to scoop up the polish and then, whoa, apply it onto my nail. Hopefully not quite this messily on the rest of my nails. If you get too much, you can kind of just scoop it off around the edge. And if you want to play with the design, you can either use the brush or you can go in carefully with an orange stick. I'm going to continue using the first pile of polish until it's gone, and then I'll make another pile. Once I've finished doing the scoop marble on all the nails, I'm going to go in and clean up around the edges with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. It had been a little while since I did a scoop marble, and I felt like I was a little bit rusty, but this is the kind of technique where no matter what happens, the final result is pretty cool. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, which also has a big chop of my nails, which you may have noticed are quite a bit shorter, you can check that out over on my VOD channel. Or, if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.